Welcome back to the YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your captions pop so you can have them ready for your Reels, your YouTube Shorts, your TikTok. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, so first let's create a text layer. Boom, right there. Write whatever you want to write on there. So what we're going to do first is choose a font. It's all preference. I'm going to go with this right here. Cool. And now the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna change the color. So you come back here on face. The default is white, so I'm gonna change it to probably some type of yellow. That's what I've been seeing a lot online. Could probably like right there, possibly. Cool. Now what you want to do is you want to outline, so click on that, make sure it's on. I'm going to do black. After you apply, you can't really see it, so we got to make the width bigger. So let's raise that. You can see it, it looks a lot better now. And you have those captions that pop up that you see online. Cool. And then you're asking yourself, do I have to do this every time? So actually, we could save it. So let's save this up here, save format attributes. Boom, name it whatever you want to name it. I'm gonna name this shorts captions. Save that, and then boom, every time you want to create one, it's there. I hope that video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.